Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you if you're trying to download any app from App Store on your iPhone or iPad device and you are having this type of problem, app not available. This app is currently not available in your country or region. If you're having this type of issue on your iPhone or iPad device while downloading any app from App Store, then here in this video I'll show you how you can easily fix this problem if you're having this type of issue on your iPhone or iPad device. So here first of all you will have to close this tab. After that, first of all we have to open setting on your iPhone or iPad device. Then after that, here we have to scroll below here. Then here tap on screen time here. Then after that, here scroll below, then tap on content and privacy restrictions. Then here you can see that the content and privacy restriction is turned on. Here we have disabled this from here. Then after that, go back, then again open setting, then scroll it below, then tap on general here. Then after that, scroll it below, and here is the option of VPN and device management. And here make sure that your iPhone device is not connected with any VPN. If you're connected with VPN, then here we have to disconnect with VPN. Then after that, again open App Store on your iPhone or iPad device, and here wait a while, it's processing. So after that, here we have to tap on Apple ID profile. Then again here we have to tap on Apple ID profile. So here we have to wait a while, it's processing. After that, you will see this type of interface. Here we have to tap on country origin. Then again wait a while, here it's processing. Then here we have to tap on change country origin. Then from here you will have to select any country from here. So here you have to change country. So here let's say you want to select this one. You can select any country from here. So these are the terms and conditions. You will have to read all these terms and conditions. And if you agree with these terms and conditions, you will need to tap on agree here. Here we have to enter payment method. If you don't want to enter payment method, you can select none here. Then here below we have to enter the billing address. You can also enter a fake one if you don't want to enter the original one. Here we have to enter the city name. Then here below we have to enter the zip code of our city. Then here below we have to enter mobile phone number. If you don't want to enter original mobile phone number, you can also enter fake one. Then after putting these things, you will need to tap on next here. Then after that, your country origin will be changed on App Store. Then after that, you can download any app from App Store without any problem. So in this way, if you're having this type of issue on your iPhone or iPad device, you are not able to download app from App Store, you can change country origin on your iPhone device. Then you will be able to download any app if that app is not available on your iPhone or iPad device. That's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.